say my name. No one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. You ain't running game. Say my name. You acting kinda shady. Ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name. No one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. You ain't running game. Say my name. You acting kinda shady. Ain't calling me baby. Better say my name. The day I would call, you would say.
So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today with another UNice hair wig review. So if you guys have seen my recent wig review featuring UNice hair, this is the exact same wig except in color. Y'all know how I feel about color, especially this color. I'm feeling like Beyonce today, okay? I am feeling like Beyonce. This color always giving me Beyonce vibes. So same information as the other wig is gonna be for this one as well. So if you haven't checked that video out, I will link it down below in the description box as well as in the card. So make sure you guys check that review out. But if you are interested in this one, I'm definitely giving you guys the tea, okay? So if you are not familiar with my wig reviews, I will show you the construction of the cap. Then I will give you guys some more details. And then finally, I will let you guys know how I feel about the wig. So let's go ahead and jump into it.
Said you just got in the house. Something's going down, that's the way it seems. Why you act this way? Nobody's holding you back from me. I know how you used to be. You saying everything to me to do. Why can't you just tell the truth? If somebody's there, then say my name.
So before I get into the details about this wig, UNice hair did send me some goodies as usual, so I really do appreciate it. They sent me a robe. I wasn't too sure what that pink was going on until I opened it, but they sent me a robe. It says UNice hair on the back, in the front. I absolutely love it, okay? A nice hot pink silk robe. So I really do appreciate UNice hair for sending me out those goodies, especially that robe. Definitely gonna get some use out of that. But anywho, as you guys saw from the previous clip as well, this wig has 3 combs. It has 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back. It also has an elastic band. Now once again, this wig is pre-cut. The lace is pre-cut, so it did come already cut, which I've been liking, okay? This is the second pre-cut lace wig that I received, and I actually like it. Now, I'll get into some more details a little bit later, but I did end up tinting the lace on here. If you watched the other video, you can definitely, I'm not sure, I would have to go back and watch it also, but you can definitely see the lace. Even before I was finished styling this wig, you could still see the lace. So I had to tint the lace a little bit. So this looks way better. I also went ahead and swooped a little baby hair to the side because I was feeling the middle part, but something just seemed like it was kind of off, okay? So I just wasn't too sure. But today, it felt like a, little baby hair kind of day, okay? But let's go ahead and get into some more details about this wig. All right, so once again, this is from UNice Hair. This is their Wear Go 6x4.5 pre-cut lace honey blonde highlights curly wig. Now I believe the length that I have is 20 inches, which is the same length as the natural black one. So if so, it retails for $190.69. Now I don't know if I mentioned it in the other video or not, but if you do not want to pay full price, they do use Afterpay, PayPal, Sezzle, QuadPay, Klarna, and Zip, which will divide your payments into 4 payments of about $47.67. All right, so here's some information. It has natural curls with summer must-have honey blonde highlights, the most realistic hairline ever with pre-cut lace, offers you a professional salon experience. No more latex headaches, secure with no glue or spray at all. 30 seconds install for the most natural everyday look. No aches, no sweating with the latest breathable wig cap, multiple clips and adjustable band for a secure fit, and a special U-shape silicone design around the neck offers you double security. So once again, it's mixed color or honey blonde. It's 100% human hair. The texture is curly. It's a wear and go wig. It's also a throw on and go, same thing. The length long, 20 inches. Y'all know how it is with curly hair. Curly hair does shrink, so that's just what it is. It may not look like 20 inches, but it is. Now it can be dyed. The average cap size is 54 centimeters to 58 centimeters. The lace is Swiss lace in medium brown color. Slight bleach knots, pre-plucked, natural hairline, glueless, baby hair around. I didn't really notice any baby hair. It could have been there, I'm not too sure. Pre-cut lace, no glue protective, 200 plus wears, breathable, extra grip, no slip, pre-plucked, realistic. So pretty much I added some mousse, which is the Rutgers Roots GTC Texture Styling Mousse. I had added the mousse first, and then I went in and sprayed some water on the hair later. I really like the wig, but I might actually brush her out a little bit because I just kind of like bigger hair. So I might brush her out a little bit in the front, just to give her some more, you know, puffiness. But I didn't want to do that now because I want to show y'all how the wig looks just after adding mousse and water. So this is how she looks after adding mousse and water. And then of course, air drying throughout the process. So yeah. Now, once again, I did tint the lace. You don't have to, but because this is a honey blonde wig, I definitely felt like I needed to tint the lace. Now, I do have a wig cap under. It is an HD wig cap, so it's pretty like see-through, but I still felt like I needed, you know, to tint the lace. I think it did a better job. I think it looks way better with the tinted lace. And like I said, I did lay some baby hairs. Swooped a little. I'm gonna have to go back in and fix that. But yeah, I really like her. The hair is soft, really soft. I did show you guys the shedding, and this was just from putting my fingers through it, adding mousse, adding water, and this is what happened. But of course, nothing too bad. But yeah, I really do like her. I am loving this color. So I do want to thank UNice Hair for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig. I really do appreciate it, and of course, hope to work with them again in the future. You guys let me know down below in the comments what you think about this wig, as far as the length, texture, all of that. Remember, this is the same wig that I have reviewed before, it's just in a different color, okay? So y'all let me know how y'all feel about this wig down below in the comments. Of course, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.